Hello everyone. Today we are diving into one of the most essential Excel feature for efficient data analysis, freeze event. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, this feature can significantly enhance your workflow. So in this tutorial, we will walk you through everything you need to know about freezing pen in Excel. To start, let's understand what freezing pen means and why it's crucial. Freezing pens allow you to unlock a specific row or columns in your Excel sheets, ensuring they remain visual as you scroll through large dataset. So this is especially useful when working with extensive table or data driving documents. Okay, so before we dive into how to freeze event, let's see what happened when we don't use the feature. Now you can see it come up like this, or I can just scroll down. I take it to the right side so you can see it's come up like so. Here we have the massive data set, and we had scroll down and notice how the column shoulder and rows levels disappear as you go further. So this can be quite confusing and make data analysis a bit of hassle. So now let's see how freeze event can help us overcome these issues. So go to the view tab, and from there easily click over the freeze pen, and from there, so let's start with the top or freezing top row. So you can click over here. Now you can see it only give you the top, this one, or if I click over the freezing first column, so it's give you this one. So when I scroll this one, now you can see it's only takes the first column and also the first row in India. Now if I want to use also, or if I want to source of this one and also the employee's ID, so how can I do that? First click over here. Before that, I just take out unfreeze pens. Now click over here and use the freeze pen again, and from there just use the freeze pen like keep row and columns visible while the rest of the worksheet is scrolled based on the current selection. Hit on the OK. Now why not, you can see it can give you the here is name. Now when I text in the right side, you can now see it's only and visible like the columns and also this row. Okay, so by this way you can easily use it the freeze pen. And if you want to take out the freeze pens by clicking over the freeze pens and use the unfreeze pen, now it does have the freeze pen is enabled in your data sheet. Okay, so and there you have it. Freeze pen in Excel is a simple yet powerful features that can stream your data analysis tasks. So thanks for watching.